Why do swimming pools smell funny? And if you're talking about, that quintessential smell that swimming pools have, like every time you're in one or around one, it's got this very distinct odor to it. And that would probably be chlorine. And that's kind of the short answer here because you might be asking a more complicated question. Like, no, I get it. Like we use like chlorine in pools and stuff, but I have a pool and we use chlorine and it doesn't smell. Like it smells like chlorine vaguely, but it doesn't smell in the sense that you're asking about now. Like some pools smell and they smell funny and it's gross and it's not like your normal pool. What's going on with these pools? And I think commonly, and it probably would be in this case, you might be talking about a commercial swimming pool, like a local recreation center near you that you go to, and indoor pool with a lot of swimmers, a big pool, and it just smells funny. And it's stronger but different from at home. And really what it is it's still chlorine. It's just a little bit different. So when you use chlorine in a pool, it's free, it's active, it's available to do its thing in the water until it encounters some bacteria or some organic debris or something like that. And then it combines with this bacteria or organic debris with its chemical process. But now it's different. It's not free and active available like it was before. It is now a chloramine or combined chlorine. And a buildup of combined chlorine in a swimming pool results in swimming pools that smell funny. So pools shouldn't have combined chlorine. The ideal number for combined chlorine in a swimming pool is 0 parts per million. In a residential pool, there's not that many swimmers. Like how many swimmers swim at a time in the pool that you're thinking about that doesn't smell funny? And it's probably not that many, like a couple, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many people? How many people swim at the local rec center on the average busy Sunday afternoon? Like 100, 1,000, more than that? It's a lot of people. And they usually force you in those environments, and not force you, but request you to take a shower immediately before entering the pool. And they do this because humans introduce a host of contaminants into pools when we go in, and those are clean humans. Dirty, gross humans introduce way more contaminants. And that's why we encourage, the rinsing off, because it's going to add less contaminants to the pool. And when you're dealing with 1,000 bathers a day, that matters. It's a lot. It certainly adds up and it puts a strain on the chemical management system. And basically, what you can anticipate in these environments is they're going to have high chlorine levels because they need to have high chlorine levels to handle sudden bather surges and influxes of people who didn't shower before they came in and all that good stuff, because they can't let the water chlorine level drop to 0 because that would be dangerous for swimmers. So you have these really high chlorine levels. You've got a ton of people in and out of the pool introducing new contaminants constantly. And what you have is this constantly building level of chloramines. The level of chloramines in a commercial pool or a pool with a very high bather turnover level is going to be much higher than the average residential pool. Commonly speaking, there would be peripheral equipment installed to help alleviate and deal with these concerns, like a germicidal UV light or, a breakpoint chlorination that happens overnight every night after the facility closes down. But during operating hours, that's still 1,000 people in and out of there, and there's going to be a lot of chlorine getting used up and combining with organic debris and bacteria, and thereby residing in the water as a chloramine. And the chloramine is the result of that smell. And that's why some pools smell really funny when others just smell kind of funny, a little bit like chlorine. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.